You'll need hot cocoa of any kind, any type of chocolate, mini marshmallows, some red Pom Poms, the Googley Eyes, double-sided tape, or you can use a hot glue gun. You'll need scissors, you'll need the bags, the twist ties, pipe cleaners. I'm using a glove to handle those two up there. I like to use a glass to hold the bag, and these are optional. Let's start. Okay, so you need to make sure that the cocoa gets right down to the bottom. Unfortunately, mine don't wrap around, but it's just better for it to hold, and it'll stay straight up. I'm using about 2 to 3 scoops. 1 tablespoon is a scoop. Make sure that you get it all the way down to the bottom here. Give it a little shake. Don't worry about the residue that's on the outside of the bag, because we're going to cut that bag off, the top of it off. Depends on how much you want. I like to use about 2.5 tablespoons. It's going to be a sweet hot chocolate, that's for sure. So I'll get that down, right down to the bottom. Okay, so now all we're going to do is pinch it here and give it a little twist. Use your little twist tie. Now you can cut this off, or I just wrap it around. I'm not going to bother to cut it off. You can use cutters if you want, of anything that will cut it, scissors or what have you. Okay, so now we have this, and all we're going to do is just fold that piece under, take another bag, and we're just going to place that in the bag so it goes down. You want to match right down to the bottom. So when we're doing it, I like to put where I folded it over, kind of put that fold in the back of it, because I like to follow the seams. The seams are going to be my sides. So from here, and the reason why I do 2 bags is in case someone doesn't want marshmallows or mint chocolate chips, or someone's allergic to the marshmallows or the chocolate chips, or they don't want that much. At least this way they can separate it and maybe give it to their person who they're sitting with. So you can put as much as you like of the chocolate chips. Give it a little shake here and there. Depends on how you like it. Sometimes I like to change it up once in a while. So you can see, just does that. And it gives a nice darker layer, so the color contrast is going to be pretty cool once you add the white mini marshmallows. You can also get the colored marshmallows too. They look pretty cute in there. So again, you can change up the amounts that you want in each. And just take it, you know, look at it, and just go, yep, that looks good. So that's what I'm going to put for that. I'm going to give it a little twist. I'm going to use another twist tie. I'm going to give a twist. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to choose to do it. And you can wrap it around. I don't need the cup anymore. So you can do that, right? So from here, you're going to take a pipe cleaner. I kind of go a little off the center and then wrap that one around. So you got to take a look and see where the back is, front is. So I'm going to go here. Make sure it's nice and tight. You can do it twice. You can do it a few times if you like. It's completely up to you. Just give it a bend, another bend, and a bend. And you can make them different. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same. It's completely up to you. So you can see it's the start of his antlers. There we go. Now you don't have to use a glue gun like I mentioned. You can use the double-sided tape, but I just find it easier because I have these gloves on, that if I just a tiny little dab, that's all you really need. Tiny little dab. You don't want it to melt the bag or anything like that. Like that. Oh, almost dropped it. Put that right on the CoCoa side. So again, just a little dab, nothing much. The glue is pretty strong and sturdy. Just watch for the, I call them the little spider webs that come from it. So that's that. Now we're going to go for the pom pom, which is going to be the nose, and we're just going to put it on the bottom. You can really lay it anywhere you want, but I like it on the bottom, so I may change it up. So I'm making a bunch of them for our martial arts craft fair that we have as a fundraiser. So you just put it down here. You can do the tag on it. Now it's a little tied there already, but what you can do is if you know that's off to the side, you can just do it lightly. You can go under, over, you can make it loose. I'm gonna make it loose just so that it can dangle, but not too loose that it falls off around the antlers or starts hanging off to the side. So there, and that's it. So that's your reindeer.